Okay, it's number 333, and you've got a woman here who's 1.7 meters tall and is walking away from a lamppost here at a rate of 4.5 meters a second. Okay, now hint, to find x as the distance from and y as the length of the shadows forming. So as she's walking, if she's walking over here, that's her. So she hasn't changed that. The shadow, in theory, should be getting, I guess, potentially a y dash here, potentially longer. So fiddly. This has definitely got ratios involved in it. At that particular moment, you can see two right-angled triangles. Okay, now that's interesting, the angle there part. But okay, so define. So what we need to do here is we need to, first of all, pull out the question at what is the rate, the length of her shadow changing. So dy by dt is the answer, the expression we're trying to find. What information do we know? Her speed, walking away speed at a rate. So I'm going to call that, because you've told to the distance away, so we're going to call that dx by dt is 4.5 meters per second. So if that's going in here, we've got, that's going to be dx over dt here, and we need something to cancel out the dx. And obviously we've got x's and y's here, and we've got a triangular with the same angle. So let's just tidy this up a bit. That there is y, that there is x. You're told 1.71, 5.26. So if we said this, there's the angle, I could say y plus x over 5.16 equals to y over 1.71. So what's just happened here, basically, because they got the same angle, I could have said opposite over adjacent. So we could have said tan of theta is 5.16 over y plus x. And that tan of theta is the same as saying 1.71 over y. And obviously I flipped it to get in that format there. So now I need to basically rearrange this to an expression y equals, because what I'm after is dy by dx. And if we did that, we've got ourselves an answer. So some algebra here. This is going to crop up here. This is going to crop over here. Y plus x 1.71 equals 5.16y. Expand, expand. Let's put this over here. So we've basically got an expression that says 1.71x over the difference of those two, which I think is not correct here. Hang on, let's just, what is it? Nope, it's a 2.6. I just spotted something that mistake. That's 5.26. That's annoying. 2. So on my calculator, 5.26 minus 1.71 is 3.55. Dy by dx is 1.71 over 3.55. And that goes up to here. So let's just, dy by dt is this thing, 4.5 times dy by dx, 1.71 over 3.55. And I think the answer came out to be 2.17. And that would be meters per second. Cool. That is the answer. And they've rounded theirs to something that figures a 1 decimal place. Go over here.